Hello, this is Greg. Today we're going to install power strips on the bench we made in the first episode. If you missed that episode, click on the card shown here or the link in the description. I started out with these 6-foot power strips that I already owned. You may be able to buy strips in the length that you need for your own bench. These ones were too long for my bench, so we'll need to cut them down. I took one of them apart to figure out the best place to cut it. We are going to mount the strips on the front and the back of the bench and run the cord down to the lower back corner. We'll run the wiring along the inside beam. I measured the opening on the bench. Then cut the top and bottom of the strip to fit. I used sandpaper to get rid of the sharp edges. I marked, punched, and drilled the hole for the wiring to exit the strip. Then I used the strain relief. You might notice that it's upside down. I'll fix that later. On the top section, I cut the wires and used these heat shrink butt connectors to splice them together. I had some trouble getting the tool into the channel, so I took apart the outlets so I could join them properly. Then I heated the heat shrink to form a good seal. Because of the location of the outlet holes in the metal casing, I removed the outlets and reversed them so they would fit better. Maybe I should have removed the outlets before attaching the butt connectors. While reassembling them, I realized that the fourth wire was not needed, so I cut it off and wrapped some electrical tape around it to prevent shorting. Now I fed the wire through the back and tightened the strain relief down. It's still upside down, by the way. I drilled the hole for the wire to feed through to go toward the back strip. Then I used a Forstner bit to enlarge the hole to accommodate the strain relief. When I fed the wire through the hole I just drilled, I realized that the strain relief was in backwards. So I took it all out and put it in the right way. The thinking here is that I want to be able to remove the wire from inside the strip without having to remove the strip backing. I flipped the bench on its side to run the wire from the front strip to the back strip. I removed one of the casters and the leg pieces, although in the end I did not need to do that. I attached the wiring to the center beam with some staples. After mounting the power strip, I reattached the leg and the caster. I ran the cord down the leg to the bottom corner with some staples. Here's the end result, conveniently located outlets on the bench. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Your feedback is always welcome in the comments. Happy building!